Canva has features that most people who use it every day have never found. Not because they're complicated, because they're buried in menus, undocumented, or hidden behind search tricks that nobody tells you about. Today, I'm going through the best ones. Free content filters, font hacks, precision editing shortcuts, linked components, animated charts, and more. Let's get into it. Hidden search and organizational hacks. 3 things in this section that will change how you find and organize content inside Canva. The free content finder code. If you've ever built a design, found the perfect element, and then discovered it's a pro-only item, this solves that. In the Elements search bar, type exactly this: brand::BAMOJHOEC. That's the word brand, followed by a colon, followed by the code BAMOJHOEC with no spaces. Press enter. The results filter to show only free content. No crown icons, no prolocks. Everything that appears in those results is available on the free Canva plan. Bookmark this code or write it down. It's the fastest way to browse free elements without clicking on something and finding out it requires an upgrade. Secret letter fonts as graphics. The regular font menu in Canva shows text fonts. There's a separate library of decorative letter graphics that most people never find. Go to the Elements tab in the left sidebar. In the search bar, type the word font, then look for the Graphics Filter button at the top of the search results and click it to filter to graphics only. What appears is a library of thousands of pre-made decorative letter images, stylized alphabets, illustrated initials, ornamental letters that are not available anywhere in the text font menu. These are PNG graphics, not fonts, which means each letter is a separate element you can resize, recolor, and layer independently. Useful for monograms, decorative headings, logo elements, and any design where a standard font isn't distinctive enough. View collection for consistent branding. When you find an icon, illustration, or graphic element you like, don't just use that one element and then struggle to find matching ones for the rest of your design. Click the 3-dot menu on any element. It appears when you hover over it in the search results, and select View Collection. Canva takes you to the full collection that element belongs to, showing you every other graphic in the same visual style. This is how you find a set of icons that all look like they belong together, rather than mixing elements from different designers and creating a visually inconsistent layout. Time-saving editing shortcuts. These shortcuts individually save seconds. Across a full design session, they add up to minutes, and across weeks of regular use, they become habits that make you noticeably faster. The T key for instant text boxes. Press T anywhere on the canvas, and a new text box appears immediately. No clicking the text panel, no selecting a text size option, one keystroke, and you're typing. This is the single most useful keyboard shortcut in Canva for anyone who adds text frequently. Shift-click for multi-selection. Hold Shift and click any number of elements to select them all simultaneously. Once selected, you can move them together, resize them proportionally, group them with Ctrl-G or Command-G, or apply the same formatting change to all of them at once. For layouts with multiple elements that need to move as a unit, this is faster than grouping and ungrouping repeatedly. Arrow keys for pixel-perfect placement. When an element is selected, press any arrow key to move it 1 pixel in that direction. Hold Shift while pressing an arrow key to move it 10 pixels at a time. This level of precision is impossible with mouse dragging, and it's what you need when an element is almost in the right position, but not quite. A logo that needs to be 3 pixels to the right, text that needs to move up by 5 pixels to align perfectly with another element. Control-click or Command-click to select through layers. When you have elements stacked on top of each other, and you need to select one that's buried underneath others, clicking normally only selects the top element. Hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac, and click in that area. Each click cycles through the layers at that position, selecting the next element down. This lets you reach any element in a stack, without moving or temporarily hiding the elements above it. Advanced Design and AI Features. 4 pro features in this section that are either underdocumented or used at a fraction of their actual capability. Canva Components. linked blocks across designs. This is the most powerful organizational feature Canva has, and almost nobody knows about it. To create a component, design an element, a header, a footer, a branded call-to-action block, a recurring section layout. Select it, right-click, and look for Save as Component or Create Component in the context menu. Give it a name and save it. Now here's where it becomes powerful. Every time you add that component to a design, and then update the original component, change the color, update the text, adjust the layout, those changes push to every instance of that component across all your designs automatically. For agencies or businesses managing multiple designs that share common elements, this means a rebrand or a template update happens once and propagates everywhere, instead of requiring you to find and update every design manually. Vectorify app. Go to the Apps section in the left sidebar and search for Vectorify. This app converts raster images, photographs and PNGs made of pixels, into vector graphics made of mathematical lines and curves. The practical benefit is that vector graphics scale to any size without losing quality. A logo you need at 2 inches and also at 10 feet requires a vector version. Upload your raster image to Vectorify, let it process, and download the result as an SVG file you can use at any scale. Magic Switch for format transformation. Open any design, click Resize in the top toolbar, and you'll see both the standard resize options and a section labeled Transform or Magic Switch, depending on your current interface. This goes beyond resizing. It can transform a design into a fundamentally different format. A written document can become a presentation. A presentation can become a social media post series. A long-form layout can become a condensed flyer. Magic Switch restructures the content to fit the new format, rather than just scaling the dimensions. Hidden presentation and productivity tools. 3 features in Canva's presentation mode that most people who use Canva for presentations have never found. Present and record. This is one of the most useful features for anyone who creates tutorial content, client presentations, or educational material. Open a presentation design in Canva. Click Share in the top right corner, then click More at the bottom of the Share panel. In the expanded options, look for Present and Record. Click it. Canva opens your presentation in a recording mode, where your webcam appears as a small circular bubble in the corner of the screen. The same picture-in-picture style used in tutorial videos on YouTube. Click Start Recording and present through your slides as you normally would. When you finish, Canva automatically produces a recording of your presentation with your camera bubble overlaid, which you can download as a video file or share via a link. No screen recording software, no separate webcam app, no post-production editing. The whole thing happens inside Canva in one step. Canva Live for real-time audience interaction. When you're presenting to an audience, whether in person on a shared screen or remotely on a video call, Canva Live lets your audience participate in real time. Click Present at the top right of your presentation, then look for the Canva Live option in the presentation controls. A QR code or join link appears that your audience can scan or click. Once they're connected, they can submit reactions and questions that appear in your presenter view during the presentation. For workshops, training sessions, and live webinars, this removes the need for a separate audience interaction tool. Canva Docs to presentations. If you've written content in Canva Docs, Canva's document editor, you can convert it directly into a designed presentation without rebuilding it. Open your Canva doc, click the Magic Switch button, and select Convert to Presentation. Canva reads the document structure, identifies headings and sections, and generates a formatted presentation, with each major section becoming a slide. Review the output. Swap the template design if the generated style doesn't match your brand, and you have a presentation built from your written content in under a minute. Hidden data features. 2 features that most Canva users who work with data have never used. Animated data charts. Most people know Canva has charts. Most people don't know those charts can be animated. Go to Elements in the left sidebar and click the Charts section. When you browse the chart library, look for charts that have a small animation icon or are tagged as animated in the preview. Click 1 to add it to your canvas. Then click Edit Data to input your values. When you add this design to a presentation or download it as a video or GIF, the chart animates. Bars grow from the baseline. Lines draw themselves across the graph. Pie segments appear in sequence. This is significantly more engaging than a static chart in a presentation context, and it requires no additional animation work on your part. The animation is built into the chart element. For data presentations, investor decks, and any context where you're presenting numbers to an audience, animated charts hold attention better than flat images. Beat Sync for video and social media content. If you're building a video in Canva, a reel, a TikTok, a YouTube short, a social media video post, and you've added a music track to your project, Beat Sync is the feature that makes your cuts feel professional rather than random. Go to the audio track in your video timeline at the bottom of the editor. Click on the audio track and look for the Beat Sync option in the audio controls panel. Click Enable Beat Sync. Canva analyzes the music track, identifies the beat pattern, and automatically repositions your video clip transitions to land on the beats of the music. The result is a video where cuts happen in sync with the rhythm rather than at arbitrary points, which is the difference between a video that feels musically cohesive and one that feels like footage dropped over a soundtrack. For content creators making reels and TikToks, where the visual rhythm matching the music is a production standard, Beat Sync handles this automatically in seconds. Here's the full list of what we covered. Hidden search hacks. The free content filter code brand BAMOJH0EC. Decorative letter graphics found by searching font in the Elements tab and filtering to graphics. And the View Collection option for finding matching elements in any series. Editing shortcuts. T for instant text boxes. Shift plus click for multi-selection. Arrow keys for pixel-perfect 1-pixel movement. Shift plus arrow for 10-pixel movement. And Control or Command plus click to select elements buried in layers. Advanced features. Canva components for linked reusable blocks that update across all designs simultaneously. Vectorify for converting rasters to scalable vectors. And Magic Switch for transforming designs into entirely different formats. Presentation tools. Present and Record for webcam overlay recorded presentations directly in Canva. Canva Live for real-time audience interaction during presentations. And Docs to Presentations for converting written documents into design slide decks. Data features. Animated charts that draw themselves in presentation mode. And Beat Sync for automatically aligning video cuts to music beats. Most of these are already in your Canva account right now. Start with the free content code and the View Collection feature. Those two change how you browse elements immediately. Hit the like button and subscribe if this helped. I'll see you in the next one.